Chapter 6. Stall and Spin Recovery. Virus SW-80 Garud aircraft is easy to recover from stall or spin maneuvers. Stall. General. Stall speeds of the aircraft in different configurations are as follows. A. Clean, 43 knots. B. Flaps 15 degrees, 38 knots. C. Flaps 25 degrees, 34 knots. Note, minimum height to commence the maneuver of stall is 1,500 feet AGL. Height loss in recovery is around 200 feet. Questions. Question number 1. What is the stall speed of the Virus SW-80 Garud aircraft with clean configuration? A. 43 knots. B. 38 knots. C. 34 knots. D. 30 knots. Question number 2. At what flap angle does the Virus SW-80 Garud aircraft have a stall speed of 38 knots? A. Clean. B. Flaps 15 degrees. C. Flaps 25 degrees. D. Flaps 30 degrees. Question number 3. What is the minimum height to commence a stall maneuver in the Virus SW-80 Garud aircraft? A. 1,000 feet AGL. B. 1,200 feet AGL. C. 1,500 feet AGL. D. 2,000 feet AGL. Question number 4. What is the height loss in recovery from a stall maneuver in the Virus SW-80 Garud aircraft? A. 100 feet. B. 150 feet. C. 200 feet. D. 250 feet. Question number 5. What is the stall speed of the Virus SW-80 Garud aircraft with flaps 25 degrees configuration? A. 43 knots. B. 38 knots. C. 34 knots. D. 30 knots. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.